Hi, this is Sharanya. Welcome to another episode of Ka-pore by Moumita. Today we are back with 6 beautiful handcrafted sarees, 7 including the one I'm wearing. If you like what you see and want to know about the booking details or available color options, please take a screenshot, share it in the number provided with the live or in our DMs, and we will be happy to share booking details, color options, etc. with you. We ship all over India and also abroad, and you can pay with UPI, bank transfer, and even with your debit and credit card. And those of you who are seeing us from Vijayawada, we are coming to Vijayawada very soon. Find us at Vasantam by Craft Council of Andhra Pradesh, 5th and 6th of November at Sri Sheshashai Kalyana Vedika on MG Road. So let's start with the one I'm wearing. I'm wearing a soft cotton, extremely soft actually, soft cotton Jamdani sari. This is in white with multicolored buttas and a very traditional Jamdani motif on the palla. Each motif is highlighted with the use of different color in the middle, and then throughout the body there's a sleek um, selvage in red, and the entire body has multicolor buttas which are in vertical stripes. This is an extremely soft and comfortable cotton sari. It's lightweight, it's breathable, and perfect for occasions during the day. Also in night you can wear it, there is no such rule. This is the sari that I'm wearing. There are two more colors available in this piece, one in beige and one in blue. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot, share it with us, and we will be happy to share the color options with you. Price is 3465, including a blouse piece of 1 meter. It's a 6.5 meter sari. And then next sari is a very special sari to us. We developed this design during Onam of this year. It's a silk cotton sari with um, these lovely golden sequins woven all over the palla, and then it continues in the body. And the sequence is woven in a way that it creates a geometric pattern. The sequence is woven within the fabric. That means there's a layer of fabric on top of the sequence and on the bottom side as well, so they won't fall off. This is the palla. Throughout it's a white and gold sari. These are the buttas in the body, again forming a beautiful geometric pattern, and this is the beautiful border. On either side you will find this woven sequence border. The feel of the sari is like this. It's lightly translucent, and then as you move forward in the body, pleats onward, the sari is plain. Pleats onwards, the sari is plain. After the pleats, the beautiful woven sequence pattern starts. This is a 6.5 meter sari with last 1 meter as the blouse piece, and the blouse piece is the beauty about this sari is that this sari we can customize according to your color. This particular sari, which is a silk cotton woven sequence sari, the feel and the fall is like this. This sari is customizable according to your um, favorite color palette. So if you like this design and want this particular sari, you can get it in white and gold as well. This is a very classy, elegant color combination, but this we can also customize according to your favorite color. We will send you our digital color book, and from there you can pick a color and we can customize it accordingly. But this is the original sari, which is in white and gold, and this is how it looks. A beautiful, soft, flowy silk cotton sari with geometric pattern sequence woven along the body and the palla. Price of this sari is 7770. Price of this sari is 7770, which is the golden white one. If it's in your customized color, it will be a little extra. Next sari is another from our silk cotton range, and this one also has tiny zari Jamdani buttas all over the body. I have picked this classy grey gold combination, but this particular collection is available again in a bunch of color options. This is the palla, which has zari woven in it, a short simple palla, and as you move forward, this is the rest of the body. The rest of the body has this beautiful golden zari buttas, raindrop buttas across the rest of the body, and it comes with a golden zari selvage on either side, sleek, smart. Last 1 meter is your blouse piece, which is this contrasting black with golden zari stripes all over the last 1 meter blouse. This is also available in a bunch of color option. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot, connect with us, and we will be happy to share the color options with you. Price of this saree is 6720. It's a silk cotton saree, very lightweight, quite festive to wear in special occasions or pujas or in weddings. And because it's handloom, it's going to be very comfortable even if you wear it for longer hours. This is the classy grey gold, and this is also available in other colors. To check the other colors out, please take a screenshot, share it with us, and we will be happy to share the color options with you. Ritu, ever I? Moving on to the next saree. Next one is this unique blue, again silk cotton saree with golden zari highlight on it. This one is the design is quite simple, but together it looks quite stunning. Starting on the palla, there is this golden zari stripes, closely woven stripes, and as you move forward, the entire saree has polka dots woven in golden zari, and this is zari jamdani on silk cotton. It comes with a dual border of golden zari and red. Red being the selvage of the border and golden zari before that. This is also a 6.5 meter saree, comes with a blouse piece at the end. It has a running blouse without the buttas, because throughout the rest of the saree there are these lovely golden zari polkas. Sorry. This is how the rest of the saree looks. This is also available in a bunch of color options. This being a unique blue, I picked this one. Price is 5040. To check the color options out, please take a screenshot, share it with us, and we will be happy to share the colors with you. This is the fall of the saree. We ship all over India and also abroad, and you can pay by GPay, bank transfer, or even with your debit and credit card. The sarees that I am showing you today, or in the last live, or in the few upcoming lives, are all from our new collection. This is developed considering keeping in mind the winters that's coming. So there's a lot of silk cotton in these collections. Right now I'm showing you the silk cotton ones. There are the variety of beautiful designs that are there, and we even have some in the heavier cotton range, like cottons which are a little heavy and comfortable to wear during the winters. We also have those. Slowly I'll also take you through those sarees. Next one is this beautiful floral silk cotton saree, again with a bit of zari in it, so you can carry these sarees in your special occasions or in the upcoming festivities, or the wedding season is there to start. These are the sarees which you can drape very comfortably, and they are also going to look very stunning. Starting off in the palla, yellow, golden zari and red woven together, and right after that the floral buttas in the body start. The buttas are in the flower part is in golden zari, followed by this red yarn petals. Together they form this beautiful floral butta across the entire saree. Comes with this broad golden zari border on either side, 6.5 meter saree, last 1 meter will be your blouse piece. It's a running blouse without any buta on them. This particular saree is also available in a bunch of color options. Price is 7350. Price is 7350. This is how the saree is going to look. This it's a soft white and red combination one, but it's not the typical red and white of the Bengalis. It has this beautiful floral design all over in the body and this lovely red gold palla. Available in a bunch of color options. Please take a screenshot, share it with us if you would like to see the color options. This is how this saree is going to look. Next up, a cotton saree. This is not very lightweight but definitely very comfortable. So the sarees which are a little heavier in cotton can be easily worn during the winters that's going to come. This is how the saree look. A very smart color combination of pink and yellow. The yellow pops up so brightly through the pink. This is the palla which has a triangular wave, following which the entire body has this sleek, slim checks woven all over in the body. It comes with a dramatic border which is thinner at the beginning, that is the top border, and little wider on the bottom side. Throughout the rest of the body, we have this lovely sleek stripes, checks going across the entire middle portion of the saree. Last 1 meter is your blouse piece, which is a running blouse without the checks. This particular saree is available only in two colors. One is this pink and yellow, another yellow and green. Price is 5040. If you want to check the color options available in this particular piece, please take a screenshot, share it with us, and we will be happy to share the color options with you. Though this saree is a little heavy cotton saree, it's very comfortable, breathable. Cotton is one of the most skin friendly fabrics, and this is how the saree will look when you drape it. If you want to book it for yourself or want to see the other color option, please take a screenshot, share it in the number provided with the live, or you can also DM us directly in our social media pages. And the last saree for today is another red and white in silk cotton, but this is a very old motif that we have again created, and this is how the saree looks. It has this geometry jamdani tapestry throughout the body and the palla, starting with slim stripes at the beginning, and then as we move forward, the entire palla and the body will have this jamdani tapestry. In between there are jamdani butas all over the saree. These are all needlework jamdani. They go throughout the saree like this, and from pleats onward the same design will form the bottom border. This is your bottom border, pleats onwards till the end of the saree. This is also a saree with a blouse piece, which is 6.5 meter saree. Last 1 meter is your blouse piece, which is running like this. This is how the entire saree looks. Available in a few color options. Price is 7770. 7770. I have picked this a very beautiful red and white one to show you today. We have a very stunning red and black as well. We have a few more color options. This particular collection is actually coming to Vijayawada with us. So if you're from Vijayawada and like this saree and want to see it in person, please drop in on 5th and 6th of November from I think 10 to 7 is the timing. This is how this saree is going to look. Half saree will be your complete jamdani design, and pleats onward, the same design forms the border. This particular design is a very old design that we have recreated again, available in a few color options, some stunning, some muted. So if you like this particular design, do take a screenshot, share it with us, and we will be happy to share the colors with you. That's all for today. We will be back soon with another live. In the last few months, we couldn't do many lives. So after the Diwali break, I'm taking my time to come to you and show a few sarees almost every alternate day. See you in the next live. Bye.